Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative, Curious, Learning, and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling some messes around my home and undecorating for fall, getting my house refreshed so that I can go ahead and decorate for Christmas in a little while here. Before I pull out all the Christmas bins, I wanted to refresh my space, and I definitely need to put my fall decor away, and then I'm going to tackle the clutter on the side of my fridge. So this area on the side of the fridge, we put receipts and important papers that we need to keep out for that month, and it's been a while since I've decluttered this area, so I'm going to do that and freshen up the space, reorganize the magnets, and just get it to be a clutter-free zone. And this is also a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. There will be a playlist linked down below, also a link to Sunday Dawn's channel. And the idea behind Tiny Tidy Tuesday is to tackle one small task around your home to freshen up your space. Hopefully that will motivate you to get more done, but tackling one thing at a time. And if you check out the playlist, you're going to get different content on all of the channels of small tasks around the home to motivate you for your week ahead to tackle the things that you need to tackle on your to-do list as well. So definitely check out the playlist and get all of the motivation you need to clean your space this week. So I am just cleaning my coffee bar area. I love to decorate this space for all of the seasons, and I'm excited to have it be a clean slate for a little while until I pull out all the Christmas bins. But now that it is empty, I can start planning and thinking about how do I want to decorate this with the decorations that I have. And I'm excited to see this space come together for Christmas here in a little bit. What is your favorite season to decorate for? I love to decorate for like all the things to make it fun since we homeschool. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a almost 7-month-old. So we homeschool, and I like to decorate our home for all of the seasons to make it fun and festive for them. But my favorite holiday to decorate for is probably Christmas. I just love the glow of the Christmas lights and all of the lights and just the magic of Christmas. And it's just such a good holiday. And we can, it's my favorite. I wish I could leave the Christmas tree up all year round, or at least get that glow of the Christmas lights somehow all year round, because it's just so magical and so beautiful. So now I'm tackling the clutter on the side of the fridge. It was so nice to refresh this space, and I was able to throw away some receipts we didn't need, file some receipts away. I did keep a few up there that we still needed to keep on hand, but it was so good to get this space done. Is there a space in your home that you've been putting off that you need to tackle? Go get it done right now, or get up after this video. Let me know down below in the comments what you are cleaning today, or what you will be cleaning today after you watch this video and the playlist. So here is the space all decluttered and refreshed, wiped down. It is so nice to get a space cleaned like this. And now I'm going to go ahead and tackle our front entrance area, put the decor away. I'm just putting it off to the side here. You can kind of see it in the mirror, so that I can put this into my fall decor box here in a little bit. You can see my tripod as well. I just got a new tripod and I'm experimenting with it. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, I'm going to put this stuff into my fall decor box here in a minute. And then I'm going to wipe down this area, because this is our front entrance area and these organizers hold our shoes. So this is a high traffic area, and this area gets dirty and it gets dusty, and I definitely try and keep up on this area and wipe it down. But it is definitely a good time to deep clean when I take down the decor. So yes. just getting it all refreshed and ready for the next season. So my fall decor box, getting the stuff put away. Some stuff goes in boxes and goes elsewhere, but most of my fall decor is here. I tackled my decorations and reorganized those on some previous videos, and it is so good to have all of my fall decorations in one place, all in this box. There's like one apple piece that's bigger that I did put in my china cabinet because I didn't think it would fit in here, but it is so nice to have all of my fall decorations in one container. It makes it easy to decorate for fall. I could just pull out the one bin and gather a few other bigger pieces from the closet with this box or from my china cabinet. But yeah, it's definitely nice to have it all together. Makes it easy to pull out and put away and decorate for all of the seasons. So we are almost coming to the end of this video. And I hope you were motivated along the way and that you were able to tackle a space around your house as well. Definitely don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below, because you're going to get lots of inspiration, lots of motivation, and lots of ideas to refresh your home, refresh the things that you need to this week. And we would love it if you would come support our channels. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. On my channel, I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and so much more within those topics, and homemaking. So that is all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.